Doing some nasty digging today out of an old farmstead, going through an old trailer house that they're getting ready to tear down. Found an old radio. Don't know what else we're going to find in here, but we're going to go do some more looking before this thing gets torn down here in the very near future, like today. Old Christmas tree. So this is an old trailer house. It's been abandoned for years, used for storage, and it's a mess. I think there's some little steering wheels, some columns over there. We'll have to do some digging. This is from where we had the big farm auction a few months back. We'll put the links in here for those as well. But let's stuff in boxes here. Tool boards. There's several boxes here. I wonder if that's what they all are. Yeah, that's what they are, it looks like. Tool boards. I have to get those dug out of here. Let's see what is all in here. Black Hawk hand tools. Brand new in the box. Who knows how long those things have been buried in here. Well, let's see what else we can find. Well, this room is full. We just dug those tool boards out of here. Doing a little more digging around here and seeing what all we've got in here, because this thing is a mess. It's been full of rodents. It's pretty crusty in here. I don't even hardly know where to look, what to do. That's kind of cool. Old golf can. Some old wooden boxes. Oh. Charcoal starter, but it actually does have the golf bulb on it, so we'll toss that out. Grab a couple of these little wooden boxes here, and work our way back in here a little bit deeper. Old linens, don't really need any old linens. Rhinelander export premium beer, a whole case of empty Rhinelander bottles. Looks interesting. Let's set those back. The peanuts. It's kind of fun. Let's put that out there. And I am standing up on the pile at this point, so let's see how this works out. Can't see much else here right now. So, well, we'll do a little bit more looking in here. Probably going to be time to move on to the next room, but got a few more things to double check in here, and hopefully I can get out of here in one piece. Maybe get these steering columns drug out of here, see if we can figure out what those are. Can't even hardly tell what some of this stuff is. So we're gonna keep digging. We'll bring you some more here. Stay tuned, we'll see what all we can come up with out of this place. Well, we're coming out of our little corner, working our way through to another segment of this disaster. We can see why they're tearing these down, because they are bad. Just junk everywhere. But you never know. You got to look before they tear them down, because you never know what you may or may not find in some of these buildings. There's some old toys. Have to do some digging through that box. See if there's anything interesting in here. Throw that one down. Take a look, take a closer look at it. It is definitely deep and thick in here. So I'm going to do a little bit more digging. We got a long ways to go on this farmstead today. So this is where we're starting. We'll see what else we can find today.